Welcome to day 123 of our school year. We have 57 school days left. All right, let's go ahead and get down our beginning fraction. We have a total of 180 school days. We are on day 123. Okay, let's see if 123 is prime or composite. Well, it's not even, so that doesn't help us. Let's try the divisibility rule for 3. So we add the digits together. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6. 6 is a multiple of 3. 3 is a factor, so it is not prime. It is a composite. It has more than 2 factors. It has at least 1 itself and 3. So we have to do the prime factorization for both our denominator and our numerator. So just a reminder of our first 5 prime, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Okay, let's start with 2 because it's even. Half of 18 tens is 9 tens. Let's divide by 3. I can get 30 tens out of 90. Divide by 3 again, I get 10. Divide by 2, I get 5. 5 is prime. I am done. So here I said 3 was a factor. I can get 40 groups of 3 out of 12 tens and 1 group of 3 out of 3. And then 41 is prime. So we finished our prime factorization there. So let's go ahead and get down our prime factorization from least to greatest. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5, and then 3 times 41. So it looks like we have 3's in common. That's our greatest common factor, leaving a 41 in the numerator. 4 times 4 is, 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12 times 5 is 60 in the denominator. All right, let's go ahead and make our groups of 3. Your groups of 3 do not have to look like mine. Just make sure there are 3 in each group. And we keep the shaded separate from the unshaded. Alright, the way I made my rows, I have 3 groups of 3 in each, and then so I'm going to count by 3's and then go back and count this column. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. There are definitely 60 total groups. Okay, and now I have 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 40. I can't count. Let's try that again. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. All right, now that I've done my division with my model, I'm going to go ahead and prove it with my algorithm, dividing each one by my greatest common factor. So 180 units in here. This side is 3. I need to find the other side of that area, of that rectangle. With So this is 123 and this side is 3. Let's try 3 times 30. Placeholder moves it over a place. 3 times 3 is 9. Number's the same, 0's the game. And then this is just 18 take away 9, which is 9. Bring the 90 up. 30 times 3 is 90. Number's the same, 0's the game. Add these partial quotients together. 30 plus 30 is 60. So this side of the rectangle would be 60 units. Okay, here, let's try that. 3 times 30 is 90. More on top, no need to stop. And then 12 take away 9 is 3. Bring that up here. 11 times 3 is 33. Number's the same, 0's the game. 30 plus 11 is 41. Now we need to check using our inverse operation. Divisor times quotient plus remainder, divisor times quotient plus remainder. Since a remainder is 0 for both, and the identity property of addition says when you add 0 it stays the same, we don't need to take time to add 0. 3 groups of 0 is 0, 3 groups of 6 tens is 18 tens. 3 groups of 1 is 3, 3 groups of 4 tens is 12 tens. So 123, that matches our dividend, that checks. 180, that matches our dividend, so that checks. That means our numerator is definitely 41, and our denominator is definitely 60. Okay, now let's go ahead and fill in our data collection page. All right, we are now in Trimester 3, the last trimester of the year, week 1. Our date today is 3/9/2020. Our fraction for today is 41/60. Okay, let's go ahead and get out our number line. We did groups of 3. So our last one is 37/60. So we need to get down 38/60, which is equivalent to 57/90 and 19/30. That's the simplest form. 39/60 is equivalent to 13/20. That's the simplest form. 40/90 is equivalent to 60/90. And it is equivalent to 2/3. That's the equivalent fraction in lowest terms. And then today is 41/90. And there's no line below it because this is the simplest form. It's the equivalent fraction in lowest terms. All right, let's go ahead and put your number line away, erase your worksheet, and thank you for joining me.